In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location in the Amazon app. By the end, you will know how to switch both your delivery address and your country or region inside the Amazon Shopping app. First, open the Amazon Shopping app on your phone. Once it loads, you should see the familiar Amazon logo at the top with a search bar and navigation icons. If your app looks different, make sure it is the official Amazon Shopping app from your app store. Next, sign in to your Amazon account. Enter your email and password, then continue. When you are signed in, you will see personalized content such as recommendations, recent searches, and any current orders linked to your account. If you share a device, confirm you are in the right account before changing anything. Now, tap the Deliver to location near the top of the home screen. It usually shows a city name or postal code. When you tap it, a panel or page opens that focuses on your addresses and delivery options. This is where Amazon decides where items can be sent. From there, select an existing address or tap Add a new address. If you choose an existing one, Amazon immediately prepares to use that for deliveries, and the highlighted address will update. If you tap Add a new address, a form opens with fields for name, street, city, postal code, and phone number, depending on your country. Enter your new address and save it. Take a moment to check the spelling of the street and postal code, since small mistakes can cause delivery problems. After you save, you should see your new address appear in the list, and the Deliver to label updates to match that location. At this point, product availability and delivery times start reflecting that address in the background. If desired, set it as your default address. When you mark it as default, Amazon uses that address first for most orders on that account. This saves time at checkout and reduces the chance of sending items to an old place. You can still choose other addresses during checkout if needed. Now that your address is set, Amazon will update available products, shipping options, delivery estimates, and pricing based on the selected delivery address. For example, some items might no longer appear, while others become available because different warehouses serve different areas. You might also notice new delivery speeds or different shipping costs. Next, if you want to browse a different Amazon marketplace, such as the United Kingdom, Japan, or Germany, open the Amazon Shopping app again if it is not already open. Make sure you are on any main screen where you can see the bottom navigation bar. Tap the profile icon, which looks like a person. This opens your profile area, where you can see orders, account settings, and various shortcuts. Near the top of this screen, you should also see a small country flag. Then, tap the country flag in the upper right corner. A list appears showing available countries or regions that Amazon supports. This is separate from your delivery address and controls which marketplace you are browsing. Select your preferred country or region from the list. When you tap one, the app prepares to switch stores. You might see a short loading indicator while it gets the correct catalog for that country. Some regions also show a brief description of the marketplace. Optionally choose a language and currency. If these options appear, you can match them to the local settings of that region or keep a language you understand better. Changing currency mainly affects how prices display, not your bank account currency. Finally, tap Done or Continue. The app will reload using the selected Amazon marketplace. You will notice the home screen refresh, prices showing in the chosen currency, and promotions tailored to that country or region. You have now changed both your delivery location and your Amazon country or region, so your shopping matches where you are and what you need. If this helped you get Amazon showing the right location, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more short Amazon tips.